everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenna Meyer. If you are new here, I would love it if you would like this video, hit subscribe so you don't miss a video. I'm an Outschool teacher and a VIP kid teacher. And in this video, I am going to share with you my best tips and tricks to creating a really good introductory video on Outschool. So I will, after I tell you kind of the pieces that I think would help you, I will show you my introductory video. So stick around to the end of the video so you can see my example. I'm actually in the process of redoing my video because I have a new background, I have some better lighting. So I'm gonna keep kind of what I say the same, and I'm just gonna revamp it. That brings me to my first tip. My first tip is good lighting. I think it makes a difference. I think when you're well lit and bright, parents can see you. It feels like a good, positive learning environment for their child. So if you can put yourself in front of a window to get natural light, I will also link below what I use for my light. I'm in my basement right now, so I have to have kind of some external lights to help brighten me up a little bit. So lighting is really important. The second tip I will give you is I think it's important to create a script for yourself. You don't have to write verbatim what you're going to say, but just have a general outline of what you're going to say and kind of the order of things, because I don't know about you, but I tend to kind of go off a little bit and I forget where my train of thought is going. So if I have a script, I will stay on track and say it in a more concise manner. So lighting and script are my two biggest things. Now to the script. What do you say? When do you say it? The first part of my video, and this is just my experience, this is what I have found has worked for me. You can tweak it to work for you or add things, take things out. I'm just sharing what I do for my video. So the first thing that I did in my video was I did like a catchy phrase. I said, is your preschooler suffering from that quarantine slump? Or is your child bored at home, needs some extra academic work, but in a fun environment? So just make a little bit of a catchy phrase or some way to get parents' attention. And then the next thing I said was my goal. I was specific about my goal is to teach your child pre-literacy skills such as letter names, letter sounds, phonemic awareness skills. So I named exactly what the kids would be getting out of my class. I want it to be clear what my goal is. That is to help your child learn X, Y, and Z. And then I introduced myself. I said, hi, my name is Jenna Meyer. And after I introduced myself, I went into my background of schooling. So I have my bachelor's degree in XYZ. I have my master's degree in reading. So they can know kind of where I'm coming from and my background. And then the next part of my video, I went into my experience with my area of expertise, which is teaching and reading. So I've taught in the classroom for 5 years. I've taught kindergarten through 5th grade. So I give my academic background and then my working background in my field. And then the next thing I did in my video is I told parents what my classroom would look like and what it would feel like for their child. So I gave examples. In my classroom, we will do lots of singing, moving, Play-Doh, games. We will have fun together. It'll be a safe environment. So I wanted to give parents a glimpse of what my classroom will look like and feel like. And then I said goodbye. I said thank you for watching, and I hope to see you and your child in my classroom. So that's it, you guys. That's kind of my magic formula for my intro video. Again, this is just what worked for me, and I've gotten a lot of families and a lot of bookings with this video. I think it helps. I do think the video is your chance to show off your classroom. So put yourself, I think, in your classroom so parents can see what it's going to look like. And I also think it's a chance for you to show off your teaching personality, what the parents can expect from you. Is your child or a preschooler suffering from this quarantine slump? I know my preschooler is. My goal is to teach your child pre-literacy skills such as letter names, letter sounds, phonemic awareness skills, and phonics in order to help your child become a better reader. Hi, my name is Jenna Meyer, and I have my bachelor's degree in elementary education and my master's degree in reading. I have been a classroom teacher for 5 years. I've taught kindergarten through 5th grades, so I really understand the importance of these pre-literacy skills. They are the building blocks to becoming a strong reader. So in my classroom, we have lots of fun. We sing a lot of songs, we move our bodies. I have some classes with Play-Doh. I have a circle time class where we spend some time talking amongst each other, getting to know new friends across the country and across the world. So I have a variety of classes, but my main goal is to instill a love of learning with your child and a love of reading. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope to see you and your child in my classroom soon. Bye! I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and the subscribe button. I will be putting out more videos on Outschool, VIP Kid, and homeschooling. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.